queens, it's time! Girl, happy holidays. Welcome to episode 1 of Vlogmas, and today I am pleased to be sharing with you guys the 6.5-foot flocked YitaHome Christmas tree that I have right here. So I'm getting ready to unbox it with you, girls. So I hope you have your holiday drink of choice, hot chocolate, tea, whatever you prefer, because baby, it's the holiday season. Whoop-dee-doo. Honey, this is my favorite time of the year if you haven't noticed. So I'm going to, you can't have Christmas. We can't have Christmas without an amazing Christmas tree, be it a live tree, artificial tree, Charlie Brown Christmas tree, tree from the woods, from the forest side, the road, girl. We cannot have Christmas without a tree. And I'm going to share with you a beautiful flock, 6.5-foot Christmas tree I'm going to put up right here in my loft. So let's go ahead and unbox this tree and get this show, honey, on the road. Cheers. It's time. Okay guys, let's get into this unboxing for episode 1 of Vlogmas. Now, everything that they sent over came nicely packaged. Everything was nice and neat. Here you see the stand. They also included this brown paper that you are supposed to open up and put down so that all of the flocking, when it drops, it will catch on the paper. I chose not to do that because once I set the tree into place, I wasn't moving it. I just vacuumed it up. But that's what that paper is for, and use that at your own discretion. I took all of the pieces out. It comes in 3 separate pieces: the base, the middle section, and the top. Everything you need is included. It comes with the instructions, a QR code so you can scan for instructions if you want to do that, as well as the lighting strip and remote. Everything is included for you. Here I have the stand, which is very easy, self-explanatory. Open it up. It adjusts open. They include everything you need, including the screws that you will put in the base to secure your tree. Once I had my tree secured, it was time for me to start flocking the tree. Now guys, flocking is where the magic happens. I opened everything up and I fluffed it and got all of the branches open, so that when you look from any direction of the tree, you see tree, all holes covered. Then I added the middle section, and I did the same process all over again. Going in, flocking the tree, because sis, flocking is where the magic happens. Open everything up, step back, look, adjust, and do whatever you need to do to make sure wherever you look, you see tree. And the flocking on this tree, ladies, is tea. It looks like I walked in the forest on a snow-capped mountain where trees are covered in snow. It is thick, luscious flock on the tree. It's generous flock on the tree, and it looks very, very realistic. I love it. I continue to flock and go through and just make sure all the branches were as they should be, up if they need to go up, down if they need to go down, just flocking this tree to the gods. Now, once I had everything flocked and all of the cords plugged in, I use this remote. The remote is a game changer. I love the remote. It comes with several colorways: white, multicolored. You can increase the intensity. You can set it to strobe. You can set it to be solid. There's so many different combinations, colorways, lighting transitions that you can use with the remote. And that is another beautiful thing about this tree, the remote. I love it. You can see here it's full, it's lush, it's a vibe. It sets this corner perfect with Christmas cheer. Once it was flocked, I went in with the jewels of the tree, which are the ornaments. I just use white and silver and metallics on this tree to really, really just, make it my own. And I'm telling you guys, if you have yet to get a tree, or if you are looking to get a new tree and you don't want to break the bank, but you want a nice tree, please check my description box down below. I will leave all of the details for YitaHome's Christmas trees there. This tree is there, which is a great tree, or you can look at their other trees that they have available, and I'm sure you can find something perfect for you. Here you can see it fully adorned with all of its glory, looking amazing. I cannot have a tree without having an initial, because y'all, I love anything monogram. So there you see the R there for our last name. And it's just a beautiful, wonderful, hardy 6.5 foot flock tree from YitaHome. Love it, love it, love it. Listen, if you want more of this, if you like this video, if you want more of Vlogmas, if you want more holiday cheer, please make sure you come back, check back with me, subscribe if you haven't done that already, so that you can be a part of the MAPS community where we do middle-aged, purposeful, and stylish with holiday cheer. Okay? YitaHome, thank you again so much for sponsoring today's video and helping me kick off Vlogmas. And guys, you already know I'll see you right here at Nat McRisal. Happy holidays.